is Monday. We're headed to work. Yeah, that's all I got right now, but I'm sure I will add to it. We've also got some acne that's deciding to make an appearance. Although I think this is just hormonal. Yeah.
Let's stop. So I'm actually in the process of maintaining my extensions. And by that, what I mean is I am going through and I'm combing my hair out because I did a braid out last week. So my natural hair is like still very curly, and then it rained, so it kind of like washed all of the curls out. So I am re-curling my hair. Right now, I'm using my Layadu. I still don't know how to pronounce it. But anyways, I'm using that curling wand. And basically what I'm doing is actually curling my hair. But up here towards the top, I actually end up like losing more of my extensions because this is where I like brush my hair and comb it and stuff. So this is like the most wear and tear. So what I will do is while I'm curling my hair, I'll go through and like comb out my natural hair and my extensions. So I'll brush it out. And I love using brushes like these because the bristles are very, very soft, very forgiving. So they kind of just glide through your hair no matter how thick it is. So I comb through it or brush through it, and then if it's like incredibly tangled or something, then I will actually take another comb or actual comb and go through it as well. But what I'm doing now is just going through and curling it. And I do not have a rhyme or reason for curling this. In fact, the other reason that I am doing my hair right now is because I was supposed to do a product review for this. And post it, and so I have not done the pictures for the product review, so I kind of need to get on that because I definitely promised I would have this done and I have not yet. So that's what we're doing right now, is just kind of you know, curling my hair so it's extra cute in the pictures. I think I'm just gonna like take it on my phone on Snapchat so I can use a filter on my face because I really don't feel like putting on makeup. So yeah, so if you guys can see that I am combing. I try to start mid shaft and at the ends of my natural hair, so like the middle to the end of my natural hair, so that I can comb that out and detangle it. And then once I have it out, heat protectant, just in case I forget later. Alright, so heat protectant is on, and then I'm just going to separate my hair and curl it. And I find that if I do this like every couple weeks, when I am, you know, doing a braid out, curling my hair, I don't have to sit down and do like a whole maintenance appointment, if you will. So typically you would go into your stylist and you would take her all the extensions that had come out, which you should be doing. But if you are installing these yourself, then obviously, you know, you would have to like set time apart or set time aside so that you could do this. And depending on how many you're losing, which when I first started out, I lost a lot. I did. I'm not even gonna cap. I lost a lot of hair extensions. And it's because I was like not closing the beads like I was supposed to, or I was putting too much hair. Too much. The extension was thicker than the hair had it attached to, so I was snatching hair out. That happened quite a bit. That still happens, especially when I'm like freshly relaxed, because especially like in this case, I had quite a few did that, probably 3 or 4, I say. And it's because when I put these in the first time, my hair was not relaxed, so I was able to grab like huge chunks of hair, if you will, and or I had to like grab smaller sections because my hair was so kinky. I had to grab smaller sections to put the extension in. Well, once I relaxed my hair, my hair was a lot finer, so I didn't need to grab as tiny of a section, and I still was grabbing small sections. So it ended up with, like, once I lost my shed hair, I was like snatching a few extensions out. Not a lot. Like I said, it was probably 2 or 3 that has happened. And mainly, like, now I try and catch them because you can feel your extension. Like, if you have like a really sharp pain in your head, you need to investigate, because chances are what's happened, and what I have found to be the case in my case, is that the extensions are holding on for dear life. And this is because maybe like a lot of that hair has shed, or you ripped it out. I mean, honestly, it could be a number of things. But typically it means that that extension, like, there's a lot of tension on your natural hair at that spot. And like I said, it could be from shed hair, it could be from, basically it just means that there's more weight than there is hair. So you need to take it out and reinstall it. All right, I'm just gonna stick that back there somewhere. All right, the last little bit. These have went by so much quicker. I think it's because with this curling wand, I don't have to wait for her to heat up as much as I did my Bellamy one. Because when I had the Bellamy, and I still use it, because I mean, it's got like all of those pieces, but the problem with the Bellamy wand is that it will, so like you can see the numbers, right? Can you? Okay, so you can see the numbers, right? Well, with the Bellamy, I would put it on, and then I would like start curling my hair. Well, halfway through curling my hair, it would start like reheating itself up. Like, it would lose temperature and start to reheat. So you can't curl while it's trying to reheat, because like your hair is pulling some of the heat from the barrel. So you have to wait, put it down, let it get back up to the right temperature, and then curl your hair again. And it just started doing that like in the last couple months. So I think it's kismet that I got emailed about this one after that, because legit I was just like, this wand was too freaking expensive. Which, I mean, I've had it for forever, so there's also that. But still, I'm just like, it's the principle behind it, okay? If you spend that kind of money on a wand, you think that it should last forever, okay? At least a good few years. And I think it has, because I don't even remember when I bought that, to be honest. Probably like 5 years ago or so.
Good morning, you guys. It's Friday, and can I just say hallelujah? I need some cartoons. Let's go to work. What up, guys? So today was busy. I think the last time I talked to y'all was this morning when I was getting ready for work, or getting in the car to go to work. It was super busy. I was supposed to leave work early, ended up not being able to do that, so that kind of threw off everything else, because I was trying to leave work at 3, ended up not leaving until right at 5 when I actually would get off work. So I couldn't film any of me like getting ready for the pool party that I went to tonight for my church. So I have some clips which I'll put in here, and then me and Miles got in the pool here at home. So that's pretty much been my Friday. I am exhausted beyond belief this week, you guys. Like, there's so much stuff going on behind the scenes at work, and it's just,
stressing me out. It's stressing me out, and obviously, like, my face. I thought that this might be like hormonal acne, but I'm more concerned that it might actually be stress related, which is not a good thing because it's only gonna get worse in the next couple weeks. So yeah, I'm getting ready to call it a night, and I will talk to you good people in the morning.